Hey everyone, are you looking to dive into the world of real trading without needing hundreds or thousands of dollars to get started? Then you've landed in the perfect spot. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can begin trading with as little as $10. And no, this isn't some flashy ad promise. This is the real deal. Now, before we jump in, here's my honest advice. If you've already tested your strategy, it's probably best not to waste too much time on a demo account. Because real trading and demo trading are fundamentally different. In a demo account, emotions aren't really involved. But in a live account, your emotions are a key factor in whether you succeed or not. If you haven't found a solid strategy yet, I highly recommend checking out my first video. I shared a simple yet highly effective strategy with a great win rate that you can practice and master. Alright, let's get straight to the point. If you're working with just $10, here are the 3 essential steps you need to take. 1. Choose the right market. If you're just starting out, my suggestion is the Forex market. It allows you to enter with a small amount of capital, and it's a global market with a lot of opportunities. 2. Open an account with a reputable broker. For your first crucial step, you need to build a solid foundation. By signing up with a reliable broker, you can focus solely on your trading. Untrustworthy brokers can manipulate prices or cause slippage, and slippage, which is price jumping, is definitely something you want to avoid. 3. Open a cent or micro account. To succeed in trading, we need to pay attention to our mindset. Normally, we don't value small amounts of money very much, and this can prevent us from trading systematically and with discipline. To start with a small amount and keep our minds focused, it's best to use cent or micro accounts. In these types of accounts, you're dealing with cents instead of dollars. For example, if you deposit $10 into a cent account, you'll actually see 1,000 in your MetaTrader platform. This can be psychologically better than seeing just 10. And importantly, in a cent account, we can trade with much lower risk compared to a standard dollar account. So when you're choosing your broker, make sure to check if they offer cent or micro accounts. One thing to keep in mind though is that the spread in cent accounts might be slightly higher than in standard or ECN accounts. See, trading with just $10 is absolutely possible. You just need to know the right way to do it. If you're looking for real step-by-step education without any fluff or misleading ads, subscribe to this channel right now and hit that notification bell. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. And remember, trading isn't just about making money. It's a skill that can truly change your life.